Welcome to the AECI Plant Health podcast, where we have conversations that help you unlock nature's potential.
Wat presies is volhoubare gewasproduksie en wat is die rol van navorsing en ontwikkeling as ook produkontwikkeling in terme van volhoubare gewasproduksie? Dis van die vrae wat ons vanoggend vir Lydia Lephoto vra. Sy is navorsingsbestuurder by AECI Plant Health. Sy verduidelik eers presies wat is volhoubare gewasproduksie.
So sustainable crop production essentially refers to integrated systems of agricultural production that do not impact negatively the environment and the quality of agricultural crops. So in essence, these are methods of farming that are based on the principles of eco-agriculture. And by that, what do I mean? I mean the integration of various elements of farming, such as no-tillage practices, intercropping, fertilizing the soil with organic fertilizers, and reducing the usage of chemical pesticides. So accordingly, growers that employ these systems in their farming practices are in a better position to sustainably produce crops and food crops that are nutritious and beneficial for human consumption compared to crops that are produced by traditional practices. In order to ascertain sufficient food supply to the exponentially growing population, a paradigm shift from conventional agriculture to the more sustainable and eco-friendly agricultural practices is needed.
Sy verduidelik verder wat is die rol van navorsing en ontwikkeling en produkontwikkeling by volhoubare gewasproduksie.
Okay, so R&D has a significant role to play in the paradigm shift towards sustainable agriculture. As I mentioned before, that this shift is absolutely necessary. But despite many effective conventional approaches to control plant diseases, new and effective environmentally friendly approaches are needed, particularly with the increasing human population and the effects of climate change on crop production and plant health. We can no longer rely on conventional agricultural practices that do not guarantee healthy food crops and require heavy usage of chemicals to the detriment of our environment. For this purpose, we have already seen the EU setting targets to achieve 50% reduction of pesticide use by 2030. So it is absolutely critical that scientists around the world start focusing on the development of products and technologies that would enable farmers to employ sustainable crop production practices. For instance, our R&D efforts throughout the years at AECI Plant Health, we introduced a program that growers can adopt and integrate into their sustainable farming practices. Under this program, we developed various products that enhances soil health and addresses the plant's nutritional needs. And we also have smart technology that optimizes water usage. Ultimately, with this program, we aim to achieve nutritious food production from healthy crops with less chemical residues.
En hoe is AECI Plant Health se produkontwikkeling in lyn met volhoubare gewasproduksiestelsels?
Yeah, so the use of excessive chemicals to control pests is one of the major contributors to soil degradation. So maintaining a healthy soil is the most crucial aspect of sustainable crop production. Our R&D strategies are mainly centered around this aspect of sustainable crop production. As such, one of our R&D strategies is focused on enhancing the plant's inherent ability to thrive under abiotic and abiotic stresses. For this purpose, we are developing various biostimulant products with naturally derived active ingredients to reduce the need to apply chemical pesticides and thus reduce pesticide residues. The second strategy is focused on the development of biopesticides for disease suppression. With this strategy, we would be addressing the issues with chemical pesticide residues and environmental footprint. Moreover, pesticides are environment friendly. So with this strategy, we are fulfilling AECI's commitment to operate sustainably without harm to the environment. We also have another exciting product that is in the pipeline for the invasive plants market. This product will contain active ingredient that is readily biodegradable with no withholding period. So basically what that means is that the farmer can apply this type of product today and harvest the following day. So in this way, our R&D strategies are aligned and contribute towards the sustainable crop production.
En so gesels Lydia Lephoto, sy is navorsingsbestuurder by AECI Plant Health. Vir meer inligting oor die onderwerp, besoek hulle webtuiste aeciph vir planthealth.com. aeciph.com.
Another production from Solid Gold Podcasts.